has upheld a death penalty to Mohammad Arif in the 2000 Red Fort case. Remember, this is the attack case in which 3 people, including 2 army jawans, were killed. The Supreme Court has turned down the review petition filed by Mohammad Arif. He was a LET, a Lashkar E Toiba militant. This is against his order upholding his death penalty. Ananya, very quickly, can you just update our audiences as to what the attack was? Because it obviously took place more than 22 years ago. So bring us up to date and then bring us context as to what the Supreme Court has had to say, please.
Well, remember that Mohammad Arif was a LET terrorist, and he had indiscriminately fired at the security personnel deployed at the Red Fort on 22nd of December 2000, in the year of 2000, who were placed before the Red Fort, and it was an attack on the Red Fort. In fact, and his death penalty has now been upheld. The review petition that he had filed challenging the 2014 order of the Supreme Court, which had given him upheld the death penalty given to him by the trial court. He had challenged that particularly and sought a review of it. But then the court has now rejected his review petition, clearly saying that his guilt has already been proven, and that's the reason why the death penalty would be upheld. Remember that he would now be executed. Death warrants would be issued. Death warrants are already issued against him, and we'll get to see as to when he would, in fact, be getting a death penalty. He would now have only one measure left to him, that is a mercy petition that is given to the President of India. So we'll have to wait and watch as to how he exercises his last legal remedies. But then it's a big no relief, in fact, for Mohammad Arif, and a big win for the prosecution agencies who had investigated this case particularly for a very long time and then arrested these people, sought a trial. The trial was completed. It was upheld by the High Court and then by the Supreme Court. And now a review has also been dismissed into this particular case. So a big win for the prosecution agencies in this case.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much for bringing us that context, Ananya. We are going to move